everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're doing the blind date food baking challenge but with double the amount of people from last time.
Well, I'm gonna be what? Mute.
We're mute.
I'm blind. I'm blind as well.
We're deaf. We're deaf.
Okay. Meant to be
Milk. Milk. It's hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. What?
There we go.
You do it. What?
You did it myself.
Yes. Yes. Where does this go?
So cool. Get out of the way. Love you.
Speed. We're going to also make a cake. So we have like more things to do.
Okay, Hannah, we're gonna be. Does this look fine?
Fine.
This for brownie. Chrissy's busy.
Oh,
Can someone
wait,
do
guys,
that?
I'm not even.
Where's
ready.
your headphones?
It's impossible.
Go, 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 go.
Whoa.
Can I do something?
Go.
Shut up. Can I do something?
Go.
Are you trying to punch me? No. What is happening? Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling?
Help me.
Help me!
Go, 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 go.
We're done. We're done.
Okay, we need to clean this up before we have cake. This is nonchalant journey.
You guys want my mouth?
What?
I want the top.
Get it! Shoulder, jump, 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 jump like this. Oh! Jump.
We need the chocolate chips.
Chocolate
Chocolate chips. Chocolate chippies. Where's the cake mix? Where's the cake mix? Where's the cake mix? Hannah. Where's the cake? Alright, we're gonna take a look. It's there.
The tape.
It's the cake. You don't have 3 eggs.
Oh, that's okay.
What?
Hasn't been headphones.
Help me.
Did you just?
Wow, she's finally silent.
Should we say I love you?
I'm really doing pose 52. Okay, wait, I can't read this.
I feel like we're having a blonde here.
Bowl. Adjust oven rest to middle position. We need to adjust the oven rack to the middle position. You didn't pour us Pepsi, Jess. She's so beautiful. I don't need Pepsi. Oh, it's a video.
Wait, I'm gonna guess your guys' hands. This is Jess. Yes, because I can feel the ring. Next person. Katie, it's you! That's not Jess, that's Hannah. Wait. That's it. Give me those. Those are Jess. I'm so sorry.
Stop.
He's a common scorer. Okay, 3 this. Common scorer. No, you back.
You have to take it off.
You back.
What did you say?
Not shoot.
I just go.
Yeah.
I
I love it.
It's going up. Give me motivation.
Shut up. Okay. I didn't shut up. I cried. And I look at you. I cried.
Okay. No hesitation. Just motivation. So. Thank you. He's session.
What?
I just walked into a brick wall. It's done! What was that? Come on, you like I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now? Love me like I want you, baby. Don't you need me? What was that? Did we spray this? I'm being assaulted, Yuma. No! Keep it off of go. I need a photo. What the hell? What is that? What was that? No! Wow, you're not taking Tennessee. Turning Turning on your alibis. It's fine when you sleep on him. Boxing, but it was just that. Yes, Chrissy! Yes! Come on, come on. Chrissy, what are you doing? Don't associate myself with this. First thing, I was like, our brownies are done. We're gonna taste them now. Already? And then our cake is like, come in it. Get off my table.
Pro jump.
Anyways, that's why I'm so fit.
Okay. Done.
Yeah, continue.
What else we doing? And we're gonna taste them. We need to do icing.
I'll get these sides.
Oh, we doing icing.
I might just sprinkle because Haley doesn't like it. No,
And the cake is in there.
Where's the scissors? Oh, okay. Quite a lot.
Everyone's doing a ritual right now.
Everyone, no, just eat it, guys. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Do you know what a taste test is? It's good.
Powdered sugar's way too much.
Who?
Do you have haters?
Me. Someone's messaged me once.
Oi, 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 oi.
Rate the brownies, guys. 10, 10, 10, 11.
13.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
100.
Why?
This needs icing.
But some people don't like the caramel, so we're just gonna put it on our own.
They don't like icing. They don't like caramel.
No, I love caramel. Jessica decided to add half a bottle of food coloring.
That is disgusting.
It looks like alphabet. Are you calling alphabet disgusting? This is so gross. We eat all the time though.
Okay, leave.
Okay, can I just thank you?
This is not good. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a great recipe to follow. Step by step, we showed you just how to do it.
Yeah,
So, you know,
use one egg and
that's the outcome. That's gonna come out.
Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button,
turn your notifications on
Right now.